Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby girl.
Hey, I'm 9.
Yep, you're 9 years old. Do you feel older?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do? Awesome. Would you like to open your presents that you can open now, or you want to wait? Okay, well, hey, just give it a minute and they'll just go ahead. Which one you want to do first?
That one.
Okay. Let's see what it is. Move your finger so we can see. Hold on. Wow, check that out. You want to read what the note says?
Hey Lily, happy birthday. Something.
I see.
Go.
Yeah.
Lily. I've been saving this necklace for you. It was a gift from your daddy and thought you would
Appreciate.
appreciate it. Love you,
Lisa and Ethan.
Lisa and Ethan.
Wow, isn't it pretty? Put the top back on it.
There it is.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Hey, look here and say thank you, Lisa and Ethan.
Thanks, Lisa and Ethan.
Awesome.
I know.
Alright, this one's from Nana and Papa and Aunt Bobby and Aunt Adrian and Aaron and Turtle and DJ and Cassandra.
Oh, how do you do this?
Oh, what is it?
Oh, no.
And what do you think it might be? Shh, Dexter.
I don't really know.
Somebody let him down so he'll stop barking. Ashton, can you help him get down?
Yeah.
I think it might be a tracing table and a drawing table for art.
It is cool.
What do you think that's what it is? Is a tracing table and a drawing table?
I don't know.
You don't know? I think that's what it is.
Look, it flips up like a computer.
Yep. You want to try and open it all the way?
It is.
No, I mean open the box.
Aha.
That's why I got you up a little early so you could maybe play with your gifts.
Can I play with something too?
Well, that's up to Lily. It's her present.
Only if I can get this
Here,
table.
come here.
There's nothing in it. Man, Lily, this thing's kind of hard to turn on. This has nothing in it. Whoa. Ta-da.
Look there. Hey, get that before Dexter chews on it, Ashton. Don't hit him. Just take it from him. All right, what do you tell everybody who got this for you?
Thank you
Thank you.
for the present.
Say it again.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm telling her like Princess Tiana. Because she looks like it. There it is.
Did you draw that?
Yeah, I drew that. This.
Or trace it anyways?
Yeah. It's Princess Tiana. Yeah, but look, but you don't have a sparkly one. Because Princess Tiana. You can make her hair brown. Princess Black. Black. Her skin is brown. Her hair black. Yep, her hair is black. If I could.